Hello, what is up, random people watching? It's your boy Chips, all the way back again with the banana peel. So, I'm going to be starting a new channel, probably going to be called, I don't know. They'll see it in the title. I don't know what it'll be called, so I'm going to be going over some of the newest updates while having background footage. So right now, I'm just opening up one of my pages. Okay, so right now there's gonna be a drum gun coming to Fortnite probably on Thursday, because that's basically when every update comes out, or Tuesday maybe. You might also see the rocket just launched, by the way. I got cool footage. I'll show it at the end of the video. And this is what it left behind. So, another thing that happened is that Lonely Lodge, there's like this weird portal right next to the cabin there, which relates to back in Risky Reels like a few weeks ago. One of the movies was the cabin in the woods, and that might relate to it. Another thing is that is that a llama? Oh my. Sorry for getting off track, but there's just a llama just sitting right here in Dusty. What? We can share it. We can share it. We can share it. No, no. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not the best builder. Ah, God, jump scared me. Okay. I probably should have just stayed in there. So, there's also another leaked, skin that, there's lots of leaked skins, and one of them is, here, I'm gonna go on, let me get this website up, and I'll switch the, so you guys can see them. You probably all seen them already. It's not that special. So right now we have in the item shop, we have Battlehound. Poor Jackson. He used to have a rare skin. Now it's not rare anymore because it's in the shop. We also got a new pickaxe. We got Victory Lamp, and we got other stuff that you've seen before that's not that exciting. Battlehound also comes with a back bling now, which is nice. So, what I need, oh my God, why? So right now, I record with OBS. It's not letting me use it. OBS. Thank you. Okay. So, let me switch it to a window capture really quickly. It's gonna take a while. So while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna yeah. Why is it not working? It's probably not even a big deal anyway, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. Sorry for this black thing in front of the thing. So there's a new skin called Criterion. It's like this blue dude in orange with clocks. We also have Oblivion, which is a female version of Mega. I hope you can change the colors. I'm not gonna get it anyways though. Fireworks team leader is cuddle team leader with like the American flag and stuff on it. Gumshoe's a female detective. We got Noir. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry, I'm trash with pronouncing stuff. He is he has like a black tuxedo on. We also got Sleuth. He has a brown tuxedo on. We also have Star Spangled Ranger, which is an uncommon skin. And we also got Star Spangled Trooper. Not that exciting. So Ali A got Royale Bomber. Like, what the heck? It's not even released yet. It's most likely gonna be part of a PlayStation 4 console bundle. Pack is, people found a leaked image of it that, Sony Italy did. We also got, yeah, we got stuff. Not that exciting. That's so cool though. Like, here, I'll show you the rocket launch after this round. Well, there's another leak. Sorry for forgetting. I don't write scripts. I probably should. So, season 5 theme, people are thinking it's gonna be, history. I really hope it is because I'm a big fan of mythology of any type. I like Greek and Egyptian mythology. I also like Norse mythology, but I don't think they'll do Norse, sadly. I kind of hope it's Egyptian because, yeah, I like Egyptian stuff. Fortnite also kind of leaked this. I don't know if it was just like an accident or on purpose. What's going on outside? Oh god, there's so much nades. No! Just kill me because I actually want to. Okay, I needed to die anyways. So, in the Playground trailer made by IGN, there was like pyramids and sphinxes that they were building, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna go to one of my replays and I can show you the rocket launch if you have not seen it yet for some reason. Let me go all the way down. If you have seen it, you should probably save the replay because it's special, so you probably should. Guys, remember to patch yourself up with bandages and then use a med kit or whatever it said. What is going on with me? What? What the heck is going? What? Look at the cuddle team leader and the what? Okay, that's weird. Did you see that? Did you see that? Hi. Alright, so I'm gonna go skip to the end, like right there. You can see the video. How did I know exactly what time it was going to be at? So this is me and my friends watching it. I'm going to go to drone free. Wait, that's the wrong. So you can just watch the rocket launch. So yeah, that's basically what happened during the rocket launch. Me and my friends were just camping over here watching it with popcorn emotes. I just want to see what other people were doing. Wait, what? Huh? What? You can make stairs float now? Okay, that's how Fortnite works. People are also watching right here. They got lucky. No, don't kill yourself, sir. He tried to take some fall damage. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. You'll see in the title. Peace out. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah. Sorry, it won't let me stop.